Hello everyone. Today we are going to do class 5th maths chapter number 12 perimeter and area problem set number 49 question 1 to 5 we will be covering in this video. The other questions I will cover in the next video. Okay, so in today's video we are going to revise two formulas, that is formula for perimeter of a rectangle, which is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So why we are taking 2? Because in a rectangle both the opposite sides are equal, so that this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, isn't? That is why we have to take 2, means 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Now for the formula of the perimeter of a square, it is 4 into length of one side. Now why one side we have taken? Because the property of a square is that all the four sides are equal to each other. Therefore we have taken 4 into length of one side. Suppose this is 2 centimeters, so this will be 2, this will be 2, this will be 2. Okay, whereas if in rectangle, if this is 4, this will be 4. If this is 2, this is going to be 2. Got it? That is why we have to take different formulas for rectangle and square. Now let's solve the problem sums. Now the first sum is, how much wire will be needed to make a rectangle 7 centimeter long and 4 centimeter wide? Okay, so they have given rectangle, that means we have to use the formula of rectangle, for which we have to first write the length or L, which is supposed to be 7 centimeter, and breadth, that is B, which is supposed to be 4 centimeter. Okay, now therefore we will write the perimeter of rectangle. Formula we have to write, children, that is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Okay, so where 2 we have to take 2, where there is length we have to take 7 plus 2 into breadth, that is supposed to be 4 centimeter, so 4. Okay, now 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8. Okay, so the total is going to come, when you add these two numbers, you are going to get 22 centimeter. So for the question what they had asked, how much wire will be needed to make a rectangle? So 22 centimeter long wire will be needed to make a rectangle. Now writing of a statement is important, children. As I have explained you all, for the problem sum, conclusion is very important. Okay, now next sum is, if the length of a rectangle is 20 meter and its width is 12 meter, what is its perimeter? So again they have said rectangle, that means we have to take a rectangle formula. Now length is supposed to be how much? 20, and breadth is supposed to be 12 meter. Okay, so therefore perimeter of rectangle, every time you have to write the formula, children, it is important. You are going to get half mark for the formula, plus 2 into breadth. Okay, so 2 into length was 20 plus 2 into 12. Okay, so first we will carry out the multiplication, that is, it is very easy. You all don't have to multiply in the separate way. It is very easy. I will show you the trick. First we will take the numbers, that is 2 2s are 4 and 0. Okay, and we all know 2 12s are 24. So when you add these two numbers, you are going to get 64 meters. Got it? So what was the question that they had asked? What is its perimeter? So the perimeter of the rectangle is 64 meters. Got it? Isn't the sum easy? They are very easy sums. Only the thing is, you all have to understand the trick and the method of solving it. All the sums are being done in this manner only. Now let's do the third sum, that is, each side of a square is 9 meter long. Find its perimeter. Now they have given square 9 meter long. Only one side has been given, so you all have to write side is equal to 9 meter. Okay, now therefore we will write it over here only. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side. Isn't it? This is the formula for the perimeter of a square. You all can check it in the textbook also. Now 4 we have to take as it is, into side is how much? 9. So the answer is going to be 4 9s are 36 meters. Now what was the question that they had asked? Find its perimeter. So therefore the perimeter of a square is 36 meter. Is it clear? Let's do the next sum. Now the fourth sum is, if we take 4 rounds around a field that is 160 meter long and 20 meter wide, what is the distance we walk in kilometers? So we have to find the answer in kilometer, children. So again it is a rectangle, so we will write length is how much? 160 meters and breadth is how much? 90 meters. So therefore first we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle, then we have to calculate 4 rounds. Okay, so therefore perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length, or 2 into L also you all can write, 2 into breadth. Okay children, so 2 into length was 160 plus 2 into 90. Okay, again we have to multiply it. We don't have to multiply it separately. If you all know the tables, it is very easy. 2 16s are how much, children? 32 and then 0. 2 9s are 18 and 1 0. So you all don't have to waste your time multiplying it somewhere else. Okay, you all can directly do it. Now 320 plus 180 is going to be 500 meters. So this is going to be the perimeter. Okay, you all can underline it or mark it in this way. Then what they have said, if we take 4 rounds around a field. Now perimeter of the field is how much? 500 meter, and we have to take 4 rounds of this field which is of 500 meters. So therefore if we take 4 rounds around the field, therefore 4 into how much? 500, where 500 is the perimeter of a field. Okay children, so 4 into 500, that means it is going to be 2000. 5 4s are 20 and 2 zeros. Now this is in meters, children. Okay, now we have the answer. We should find the answer in kilometers. They have asked in the question, what is the distance we walk in kilometers? So if this is meter, therefore 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Therefore 2000 meter is equal to how much? 2 kilometers, isn't it? So this is the answer. Therefore we have to walk 2 kilometers. Is it clear? Let's do the next sum. Sanju completes 12 rounds around a square park every day. If one side of the park is this much, find out its kilometer and meters, the distance covered by Sanju daily. Okay, now over here only one side is given, children. One side of the park is this much, that means it is a square park. So what we have to take? We have to use the formula of square. Okay, therefore first we will find the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side. This is the formula. So therefore perimeter, I will write it down here, of a square 4 as it is into length of one side means 120. Okay, so 4 12s is how much? 480, 0 as it is, and this is the answer in meters. Okay, now this is the perimeter of the square. That means one round, therefore one round is equal to 480 meters. But Sanju takes how many rounds, children? Over there they have given, he completes 12 rounds. So therefore 12 rounds multiplied by 1 round, which is it 480 meters. Okay, so this is what we have to find. So 12 into 480, sorry, this is 480. Okay, 12 into 480, the answer is going to be 5760 meters. Now still the answer is in meters. They had asked us find out in kilometers and meters the distance that Sanju covered. So we have found the distance of 12 rounds now. First round we have found, 12 rounds also we have found. Now what we have to find? Answer in kilometers. So therefore 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, as I had showed you in the previous sum also. Therefore 5760 divided by 1000, the answer is going to be 5.760. Okay, so 0 can be eliminated. This will be your kilometers. Therefore now write the answer. Sanju walked 5 kilometer 760 meters daily. I hope you all have understood this video, children. It is very easy to solve. See you in the next video. The other sums will be covered in the next video. Take care. Bye.